Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today I'm baking a cake, so it's just an easy regular cake with coconut. For this recipe I will use 225 grams of butter, 1 cup of organic sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of coconut, 4 eggs, vanilla, and lemon zest. I will use some juice too, lemon juice. Okay, I like to start with getting my cake pan ready. So my cake won't stick. I have a spray, but sometimes I don't like the taste when you use that spray. So I like to do it this way. Sometimes, like today, I don't feel like using that spray. I'm gonna do this. Make sure you spread the butter everywhere. By the way, I just realized that I forgot to mention the baking powder. Here's the baking powder that I will use. Impossible to do without the baking powder. So now you know. Okay, after spreading the butter, flour, make sure it goes here too. After that, we just do this and get rid of the extra flour. So here my pan is ready, so let's okay. I put the butter in the microwave for 10 seconds, like about 10 to 20 seconds, so to have it a little bit, so it's cold. You don't want it hot or warm. And I'm gonna start with sugar. Now I'm gonna add the eggs. I know some people will say, why didn't you beat the white egg first? The egg white first. But I do it this way and it works just fine. We still get a fluffy cake. Make sure I get the sugar down here. Okay. you beat this until you don't feel the sugar anymore. Okay, now we're adding flour. Okay, the flour is all clean. As soon as I put the flour, I add my baking powder. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Slowly first, so I don't make any mess. I beat this for 1 to 2 minutes. I'll add my coconut. Vanilla. Time to zest my lime. Smells really nice. This is about okay. Teaspoon of lemon juice. Shout out to my big sister, she taught me this to get rid of the egg smell. My big sister, she's the one who was supposed to be here on YouTube, but she's a beast in the kitchen. Maybe one day you will see her on YouTube. She has to do this because she's a kitchen artist. Okay. My oven is ready. I turned it on a few minutes ago. 450 degrees. Once I put the cake in the oven, I'm gonna lower the temperature to 300. Okay, see you soon. Hey, so this is the cake, looking up good. Ooh. See this? See that? So beautiful. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.